How to use PocketGuard app. In order to use PocketGuard app, you could follow these steps. First of all, you have to download the app, or you could also use a web version. So I'm gonna use the app, so type in PocketGuard and install the application. Now after which it's gonna install it, so or else you could also try using the browser version. So for that you want to type in PocketGuard. When you locate it, so you could go to the first link that appears. It will then take you to the next field, something like that. So once it is completely installed, click the open button, and here you need to go ahead and sign into your account. So first of all, I'm just going to go ahead and quickly sign in using my email address or my Google account. Once you are logged in, then what you need to do is simply you have to go ahead and connect and set up your recurring payment. That is, first you need to connect your checking, credit and savings account, as this is what makes the budgeting smarter. And once you've done it, so then what you need to do is check your monthly and daily budget with leftovers. Now then you could go ahead and analyze your spending. The perfect tool for this purpose is the spending pie chart. So likewise, you could go and explore the app, and that way you'll be able to use PocketGuard app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.